Hi friends. Let's be real, these days, everyone is thinking about having an extra source of income. Whether you're a housewife, a working professional, a student, an expatriate, or even someone who's retired, it's something on all our minds. If we really want to move forward in life in this fast-paced world, having just one income isn't enough anymore. We need an additional income stream. And that's exactly why I'm here today. To share a business opportunity that's simple, flexible, and something anyone can do. The best part? You can do it from home, in your comfort zone, and even connect globally. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can I really do this on my own? Well, the answer is, you're not alone at all. We get full support, guidance, and training from an incredible organization called Oneteam International. This team is expanding super fast around the world, using digital meeting rooms to connect people like you and me, from every corner of the globe. They make sure you're never stuck, never confused, they walk with you step by step. Look around. We're living in a time of huge changes in technology. Think about it. Artificial intelligence is now part of our everyday life. The Metaverse is allowing us to do in the virtual world what we once only did physically. And then there's Web 3, the next version of the internet. Right now, we're in Web 2. But things are moving forward fast. With the rise of decentralization, we're entering a space where everything is more transparent, more secure, and less controlled by big central authorities. The future is about freedom, privacy, and possibilities, and technology is leading us there. Let me introduce you to something exciting. Holiverse Universe. It's a next-generation, blockchain-based metaverse platform. And it brings together virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. So we can create digital worlds, meet and connect with people, and fully experience life in this new space. Whether you want to build, learn, explore, or earn, there's space for you here. This entire journey began in June 2022. Thanks to a visionary mathematician, Mr. LADO, the founder and developer of the Holiverse project. And guess what? Today, there are already nearly 2 million members involved. Across 28 countries worldwide. The headquarters of this futuristic project Metaverse is right in the UAE. A place known for innovation and tech-forward thinking. And here's the icing on the cake. Inside this platform, you can also earn a crypto token called whalebit. So you're not just exploring the future. You're earning from it. There are two divisions in the Holiverse universe. The name of one division is Holiverse. Holiverse is mainly focused on genetics and DNA-based personalized wellness. And we know that the future will also involve most people in the wellness industry. So, there are many possibilities when it comes to personalized wellness. But it's not just about health and science. There are also movies and comics, art and entertainment projects, and even dedicated marketplaces. In fact, we can already see an e-commerce system and a marketplace built into this division. So yeah, Holiverse is not just one thing. It's a whole ecosystem where wellness meets creativity and commerce. The next division in the Holiverse universe. And that is Metawhale. Metawhale focuses the most on decentralized exchanges. Along with futuristic decentralized financial tools and platforms. We can also see a fun Telegram tapping game called Crystal Cami. Which is currently running, and yep, it's part of this division too. But that's not all. In Metawhale, we also get to experience futuristic games. Next-gen financial tools and platforms. And even the Metaverse itself. So, Metawhale is really about combining finance, gaming, and virtual worlds. All through decentralization and future tech. One of the key programs inside the Metawhale division. It's called Tactics and Strategy. This program is like an entry point, a doorstep into the Metawhale ecosystem. And the main focus? It's all about creating maximum earnings through community building. The cool part is, it's fully integrated as a DAO. Which means a decentralized autonomous organization, no middlemen, just pure tech. And it doesn't stop there. With tactics and strategy, we also get unlimited earning potential. It has instant withdrawals, a decentralized and advanced payment system, and offers full profit distribution. That's the biggest benefit of this program. It's designed to give total transparency, full control, and real-time earnings to the community. Let's now break down one of the core features of tactics and strategy. The 12 smart contracts that power the program. So yeah, there are exactly 12 contracts in this system. And if you pay attention to the flow from contract 1 to contract 12, you'll notice how the levels are structured with a smart pricing model. Let's start with the first contract. Here, the amount we spend is just $10. Simple, right? Now the second contract is a bit more interesting. It's 10% less than double the first one, which comes out to $18. Then it scales up from there. Third contract, $32.40. Fourth, $58.32. Fifth, $104.97. Sixth, $188.95. Seventh, $340.12. Eighth, $612.22. Ninth, $1,101.90. 10th, $1,983.59. 11th, $3,570.46. And finally, the 12th contract, $6,426.84. Each contract is a step forward, increasing the earning potential and unlocking new possibilities. So that's how the level pricing of all 12 contracts works in this powerful, decentralized system. These 12 contracts are actually classified into 2 slots. If you look at the layout or diagram, you'll notice something interesting. The 2 columns on the left side are called S6 slots. And when you look closely at the picture, you'll see that each S6 slot has 6 dots inside it. That's where the name comes from. Then, on the right side, there's one column, and this one has 3 dots in each box. This is known as the S3 slot. So in total, we have 8 S6 slots and 4 S3 slots. Each slot type works differently in terms of community building and profit sharing. But together, they make up the complete system for earning and growth in the tactics and strategy program. Now let's take a quick look at the structure of S6 and S3 slots. How they actually work inside tactics and strategy. So, starting with the S6 structure. This one is built with you and your 6 partners. That means it's a combined structure, where you're working along with 6 people in your team. Now let's talk about the S3 structure. S3 is a little different, it's formed with you and 3 partners. So it's also a combined setup, but this time, it's you plus 3. Basically, S6 equals you plus 6 partners. S3 equals you plus 3 partners. Each structure plays a key role in how income is distributed and how your network grows within the system. In the S6 structure, there are 6 positions. And here's how they're filled. The first 2 upper positions can be filled by your crossline, downline, or even your own direct joinings. But here's the key part. The earnings from these 2 positions don't go to you. They actually go up, either to your upline or to the crossline. Now, let's talk about the bottom 4 positions. And this is where it gets exciting. These 4 can also be filled by your directs, downline, or even crossline members. But the difference is, you earn a commission from each one of these 4 spots. So once all 6 positions are filled, the cycle is complete. And guess what? You're automatically re-entered into a new cycle. So you can keep earning again and again. The key difference here is, earnings in S3 come only from your direct joinings or downline members. That means there's no spillover from your upline or crossline like in the S6 system. Now, in the S3 structure, there are 3 positions. You receive 100% earnings from the first 2 positions. Those commissions go directly to you. Then, the 3rd position is used for cycle re-entry. This means you automatically re-enter the system, which allows you to keep earning again and again, without having to start from scratch. It's a simple structure, but super effective for continuous earnings. Reactivation. This feature automatically reactivates the same level after your cycle is completed. Why? To keep your cycle running smoothly. And here's the best part. When your partners also reactivate, it fills new slots in your structure, which means more chances for continuous earnings. This feature is enabled by default. Now let's talk about auto upgrade. Once your structure is complete, auto upgrade kicks in and moves you to the next level. Automatically. It uses 2 payouts to make this upgrade happen, so you don't miss out on any opportunities as you grow. And yes, this one is also enabled by default. But here's the cool thing. You have full control. If you want to disable reactivation or auto upgrade, you can. In that case, 25% of the funds will go to the NFT holders and the fund pool, and you'll receive the remaining 75%. For each level, we'll look at how much you need to spend, how much goes to the fund pool, and how much net profit you actually get. Let's start with the first contract. You spend $10. Out of that, $1 is allocated to the fund pool. That's exactly 10%. Which means your net profit is $9. Now let's move to the second contract. Here, you spend $18. 10% of that, which is $1.80, goes to the fund pool. And your net profit becomes $16.20. This same pattern continues across all 12 levels. Now, fast forward to the 12th contract. You spend $6,426.84. 10% of that, which is $642.68, goes to the fund pool. So your net profit at this level? A massive $5,784.16. Now, you might be wondering, what's the fund pool used for? That 10% allocation goes to several powerful purposes. Royalty program, rewarding NFT holders. Company development. Token buybacks. And token burnings to maintain value. And here's the most amazing part. The entire amount you enter into this community through the smart contract? It is 100% distributed within the community itself. No middlemen. No hidden fees. This is one of the biggest features of the system, and you can clearly see it just by looking at this model. Let's walk through a real example using Tactile Level 5. To activate Level 5, you need to cover the total contract cost from levels 1 through 5, that's about $223.70. Then add in gas fees, which here come to roughly $2. So in total, you're spending around $225 to get started at Level 5. Now, once you're activated and you bring partners into your community, here's what you earn. First partner joins $29.16. Second partner another $29.16. Third partner $172.17. Fourth partner $201.30. Fifth partner $201.33. When the sixth partner arrives, it completes the cycle and recycles you back into a fresh cycle, so you keep earning without missing a beat. If you check the diagram on the right, you'll see that fills one full cycle in the S6 slots and even 2 cycles in the S3 slot. That's how earnings stack up at level 5, pretty powerful, right? Now let's look at an example of activating a 7th level contract. To get to level 7, you need to activate contracts 1 through 7, which comes to about $752.78. Then, when you add the 2 POL gas fee, your total spend is roughly $754. Once you've activated level 7, it's time to start building your community. Here's how your earnings stack up as partners join. First partner joins $199.22. Second partner $199.22. Third partner $478.22. Fourth partner $677.44. Fifth partner $677.44. Then, when the sixth partner comes in, the cycle recycles you back into a fresh cycle, so you keep earning without pause. If you peek at the diagram on the right, you'll notice one full cycle completed in the S6 slot, and 2 cycles completed in the S3 slot. Did you know there are about 16 projects in this ecosystem? That's exactly what gets us so excited, because by diving into all of these, you unlock maximum earning potential. So, let's run through the full lineup. Marketplace. Metaverse. Crystal Cami. Digital Avatar. Mana Real Estate. Solanas Memopad. Overreal. Uniwall Wallet. Social Network. Tactile Goods. Swap. SSO. Tactile Loyalty. Boost. Game Bridge. Each one a unique way to engage, connect, and earn. Alright, so now let's see how to get started with this project step by step. Step 1. First, you need to install a decentralized wallet. You can go with Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Token Pocket, any of these will work. Step 2. Once installed, the wallet will give you 12 secret words, also called a recovery phrase. These are extremely important. You must store them securely for life. Do not share them with anyone, and never lose them. Step 3. Next, make sure to arrange the corresponding stable coins and a small amount of crypto for gas fees, based on the level you want to activate. Step 4. Now you're ready to begin. Use the referral link of the person who introduced you to this opportunity. Once you click that link, you'll be able to activate your desired level and officially become a part of the system. To all of you who've been hearing about this opportunity for a while now, a big thank you for staying connected and curious. And now, it's time to say, welcome to this amazing family called Oneteam International. Today, Oneteam International is growing faster than ever, connecting people from around the world through powerful global digital meetings. We truly believe this is just the beginning. And we're so excited to have you on this journey with us. So once again, thank you so much. And welcome to the family.